Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day video. So you guys are going to be joining me for 24 full hours of eating. Even though most of this is like, you know, Nigerian meals, but they are universally applicable, and I try to include meals that anybody can access from any part of the world. It's also important that I mention that I do intermittent fasting like every day. So even though it's intermittent fasting, for me it's more of like a lifestyle. So what that means is that I have my breakfast by 12 p.m. and I have my dinner by 6. I have my dinner by 6 p.m. so I eat just 2 meals in a day. If I'm going to be out and about throughout the day and I eat my breakfast at around 10, then I will eat my dinner like 6 hours later. I don't know if that makes sense, but today is the weekend, so I'm just going to be showing you guys what I eat. So it's currently 12, yeah. No, it's currently 11 and I'm trying to prepare for my breakfast. I'm going to be having avocado and eggs. So without further ado, don't forget to give a thumbs up and keep on watching. So guys, that wraps up my what I eat in a day video. Don't forget that just because you're trying to lose weight doesn't mean that you should sacrifice flavor. With a little bit of creativity, you can enjoy delicious meals while working towards your weight loss goals. I am looking to lose maybe 5 more kilograms, but if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more healthy recipes. And please comment down below, let me know which one of them you're going to try, or which meal you want me to add, or like suggest meals for me to add. You guys leave priceless tips in the comments, and I'll see you guys in my next video.